good day, Miss Jessica. Can you tell me about yourself?
Hi, my name is Jessica Olangkaya. I'm 33 years old. I live in Binangonan, Rizal. I'm a single mother.
Alright, thank you. Do you have any kids?
Yes, I have two daughters. The younger is 3 years old and the eldest is 15 years old.
Alright, how many siblings do you have?
We are 5 and I'm in the middle.
Please tell me about your educational background.
I'm a high school graduate but I didn't go to college because I got pregnant early.
Alright, thank you. Do you have any work experience abroad?
Yes, I worked in Saudi Arabia for 2 years and 6 months.
Did you finish your contract?
Yes,
Please indicate your duties and responsibilities as domestic helper in Saudi Arabia.
I do the household chores like cleaning, washing, cooking, and taking care of 2 children.
Alright, thank you. Then how would you describe yourself?
I'm a jolly person, I'm a trustworthy person, and I'm a hardworking person.
Thank you. Do you have any tattoo?
Yes, I have a small tattoo on my shoulder but it's not visible.
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
Yes, I undergo cesarean section on my youngest daughter last 2022
Why do you want to work abroad?
because I want to support my children for their study.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No,
Can you give us your idea on how would you handle a naughty child or children with tantrums?
I think you need to talk to them very politely and you need to tell them to stay calm.
Alright,
Yes.
thank you. And then for the last question, what is your message to your future employer?
If you're giving me a chance to work with you, I will assure you that I will take good care of your whole family and you can trust me and I will treat you as my family too and I will assure you that I will finish my contract with you. Thank you.